Beautiful New York AM session. So here's a trade recap. If you go back to my pre-market analysis, I did say I was leaning more bearish for the session, and I was hoping that we'd come and sweep these highs and then distribute lower, but that actually didn't happen. But what you can see here is on open, we manipulated up a little bit and then started coming lower, and we've swept Asia. And I then sort of thought, okay, maybe I have my bias wrong. We've gone the opposite way. And I did see an inversion to the upside, but I kind of held out on taking a long because it was 15 minutes in, or 14 minutes into market open, which is right there. You can see it was 9:44, which I tend to avoid the first 15 minutes because that's when the manipulation happens. So I faded that. And then what happened was we dumped, and we actually come past this 15-minute gap. And then here I thought, okay, well, that must have been the continuation for shorts. We're going to come grab PM low or even further. Now, I sat on my hands and my indicator did throw that we were coming out of a 15-minute bearish gap. We've inversed a 1-minute gap to the downside. I actually didn't take a short there. I wanted more confirmation. So I waited for a retest into this 15-minute gap, which you can see we got here. And that just told me that if we're respecting this, we've got a 4-hour inverted gap above, then it's going to want to go lower. And that's exactly what happened here. Now, I'll just put my sell stop because this is where I entered. I entered on the next candle. You see the rejection wicks, or the respect coming from that 1 minute to the downside out of the 15. I entered here. Price did chop around a little bit. Stop was at the swing high, and I put my TP just down here in between PM low and AM low. And as you can see, we get full delivery on that, inversing 1 minutes to the downside. We had a bit of chop and manipulation here, I suppose you'd say, but it delivered full TP, and that was me done for AM session. So you can see here. So beautiful session. A CRT hasn't played out yet. It's potential, but I go off the rule of one trade and I'm done, one win and I'm done. So that is me. That's me finished for the session. So hopefully everyone else had a good session.